Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today we have the little bee box for March. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So March 2026 little bee box has arrived. They actually did send this to me for review. So thank you so much for sending me your amazing baby box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So you guys, this month's rotation goes to my friend's little girl who is 3, and I'm super excited to see what's inside. She's still in a 2T for the clothing size, so that's what we should be seeing inside. And again, that's a great thing. I always tell you guys, with this box, you tell them the age, the gender, the size. Not every child is going to run the same size, so whatever size that child is currently in, you let them know. When they bump up, you just email them, they change it, and they custom every single box to a huge mystery for the child that it's going to. And I absolutely love how they curate these boxes. So it always comes in their little bee box. You could always store things in them. They're nice boxes to store things in, or you can recycle them. When you open it up, you do have your card right on top that says thank you. If you do purchase this box and you have a social, you can tag them and you might be featured on their site. You do have your monthly note here, so you can sit down and read, and it says Little Bee Box March, Beautiful Glow. And so the mama can read that little note. Then you have the cutest little bee tissue paper. And ooh, there's a sneak peek to inside. I'm so excited. Oh, she gets some Jones. They're Emma and Olive brand, 100% cotton. There's 10 pack of panties, but look at how adorable. So there's some solids, some that have prints on them, but there's 10, there's one missed. There's 10 different patterns. Look at how cute. So here she's gonna have her own little big girl Jones. I love that. Then it looks like we have a little set here, an apparel set. Ooh, and then it comes, does it go with? Set includes a t-shirt, shorts, glasses, and purse. So, okay, this all goes together in one set. So let me show you the outfit. Oh my goodness, look at how stinking cute. Just with the little cherries on it. And then you have these little shorts. They're like, kind of like little biker shorts, which these are perfect because then she can wear these for a long time, especially since they are these little type of shorts. So you have this set, and then it comes with a pair of sunglasses. Look at how cute. And then, oh, there's even a hair scrunchie in here too. There's a hair scrunchie, and then this purse that has the same matching cherries. How freaking cute is this outfit, you guys? Yeah, you get all of this stuff with this one set, and it all matches. That is super cute. So you have your whole little matching set over here. I cannot wait to see her in that. And then it looks like, oh, there's like some extra shorts. Oh, perfect. They can go with that shirt or any other shirt. These little yellow ones have like glitter. Can you see the glitter in them? There's like glitter in the actual fabric. And then this set has these little hearts, and it has some yellow on it as well. Super cute. So you have an extra pair of 2 packs of shorts, 2 pairs of shorts. Then you have, it's a magnifying mirror keychain. This one doesn't say free gift, but the thing in here does. So I don't know if this is intended for the mom or for the child, but either one could use it. She could put it in her little purse and have it in her purse because she's got a purse this month, or the mom can use it, whichever one. But there is always one gift in here for the mom, and that is this right here. Oh, how neat. It's a face sheet mask set, and there's 5 different masks in here. So you have Beautiful Glow. How cute, because that was like the theme of the box too, right? And there's bees. Then you have Avo Good Skin Day, like one with avocado. You have H2O, so hydrated. Berry Sweet Skin. And then Zest and Bestie, Vitamin C and Radiance Boost. Those are some really good masks, and there's 5s, not just 1, not 2. You have a whole 5-pack. That is for the mom. And then the last item in here is a book. It says Carry Along Nursery Rhymes. It does have a value on the back of this book for $9.99, but look at how cute. And it has like all like the things on the top of the pages. And it's the thick cardstock pages. Super, super cute. I love when they put books in here, especially she loves her reading time. She loves her books. So that is absolutely amazing. So that is everything for this March box for a 3-year-old little girl who is wearing a 2T in clothing. So her mystery box just for her is the book. Super, super cute. The mom gets this 5-pack of masks. You have the keychain mirror, a 2-pack of shorts. You have this whole set here with the purse, the glasses, the hair scrunchie, the shirt, and the shorts. And then a 10-pack of panties. Oh my goodness, you guys. Super, super cute. I absolutely love seeing these boxes. I love how she curates them. I just really, really love the little bee box. And I love little kids' clothes and stuff. So I just love this box. If you would like a little bit more information about the pricing, I will let you know right about now. I do have my own code, which is SheCrafty, and that will save you 30% off your very first monthly subscription if you're interested in signing up. So SheCrafty will save you 30% off. So the little bee box will always include 5 to 8 products picked by passionate parents on our board to make every day fun and fulfilling for your baby, making every moment memorable and joyous. Again, they'll ask you several questions so they can tailor that box to the child that it's going to. So month per month is the gold term. It's $51.95 per box. You can cancel at any time. Silver is a 6-month plan, which will bring your box price down to $45.95 per box. Or if you go to the platinum 12-month full year plan, it brings your box price down to only $43 per box. They also do have a one-time gift box. That one is $65 and it includes free US shipping. So with that one, you can choose the size, the color. They build that box and can ship it to who it's going to, or ship it to you if you're going to attend, like if it's a baby shower or a birthday party or just because. So you do have that option as well if you like to do the one-time box or the monthly box. She also did write her own book to help busy moms stay sane doing what they need to do and juggling your whole entire parenting life. So if you want to check that out, I will have it listed in the description box. So if you want to check out her book that she wrote, so that's awesome as well. So if you want to check out the little bee box and see what they have to offer, I will have them in the description box. And again, SheCrafty will save you that 30% off. If you'd like to check out other companies, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I would love for you to stick around. I do so many different types of videos. If something pops up that you're not interested in, then just pass it until you see one that you are. It's that simple. All right, you guys, so that is everything to say and show for this particular video. Again, don't forget to comment down below and let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty Crew, out.